Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Electric Scooter Man. Look what I got. And there's an opening of a jersey. Sorry, this thing is stupid. Yeah, I don't trust putting scissors on here, so let's go open this. Hopefully it's the right one. That's why I'm recording it. Wow, here we go. All the stuff is dropped. All right. Looks good though, so far. It's just the right last name. And it is. A Peyton Manning jersey. And the Tennessee Vols. I've been waiting 2 months to get this thing though. Yeah. It is extra large jersey. It is stitched. And it does look a little uneven, don't you think? But it's supposed to be like perfect. I mean, this is supposed to be moved like over here, but you know, it's not a big deal, I guess. So yeah, I'm a Tennessee Volunteers fan. I didn't like Peyton Manning with the Colts. I liked him with the Broncos, but I wish he came with the Titans though. I know he can still play today, still throwing football, but you know, Peyton Manning's been to 4 Super Bowls and lost 2 and won 2. So what we got right here is Peyton Manning. I mean, yeah, I know a lot of people gonna say this is uneven, but you know, I didn't buy it from a real website. So I bought it from DHgate. So yeah, it's good enough, but I wish they knew how to just I mean, put it like, I don't know why it's like this. It does look weird. At least they spelled the last name right. So anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video.